In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quantity to an eBay listing. Adding quantities to your eBay listings is an important part of managing your online store efficiently, ensuring that your stock numbers are accurate and that your buyers know what's available. Let's dive in and get you started on updating those quantities. First things first, open up your internet browser and head over to the eBay website. You'll need to make sure you're signed in, so if you're not already, do that now. This will allow you to access the necessary features for modifying your listings. Once you're logged in, navigate to My eBay, or, if you're already using it, the more feature-rich Seller Hub. This is the central place where eBay allows you to monitor your selling activities, including managing active listings. From here, you'll see a comprehensive overview of all your current listings, so it's just a matter of finding the specific listing you wish to update. Next, look for the listing you want to modify. This might involve searching by item title or browsing through your list. Once you've located it, select it to open up the detailed view where you can make changes to the listing itself. This is where you'll have the chance to adjust the various parameters of your listing. In the listing details, find the quantity field. Typically, this should be readily visible among other key information such as price and shipping options. You'll see the current quantity number you have listed there. Go ahead and click into the quantity field to enter the new amount of stock you have available. It's crucial to ensure these numbers reflect your actual inventory to avoid overselling. After you've entered the desired quantity, it's crucial that you remember to save these changes. Look for a Save option, which will typically be at the bottom or top of the page. Saving your updates will ensure that your listing is now displaying the correct available quantity to potential buyers. Forgetting to save would mean your changes haven't been applied, so make sure you do this. As an additional note for managing day-to-day sales, keep in mind that any items purchased on a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday must have tracking information added by Monday at 11:59 p.m. Tracking is essential for both your protection as a seller and for the convenience of your buyer. Lastly, be aware that while some carriers may offer weekend deliveries, weekends and public holidays are not counted in eBay's estimated delivery dates. So, plan your shipping and customer communication accordingly. And there you have it. You now know how to efficiently manage the quantities on your eBay listings. This ensures you maintain a smooth operation and keep your customers well informed. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!